Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Frustrated Job Seeker Podcast. I'm your host, Mark Williamson, and today we're diving deep into a career that powers our modern world, electricians. And stick around until the end as I'll be revealing some intriguing insights about how much you can make as an electrician. But before we get to that, let's shed some light on what an electrician actually does and what their day-to-day life looks like. So what exactly does an electrician do? An electrician is a skilled tradesperson who specializes in working in electrical systems. They're responsible for installing, repairing, and maintaining electrical infrastructure, ensuring that power flows seamlessly to our homes, offices, and industries. Electricians play a crucial role in our daily lives, ensuring that lights are on, devices charge, and appliances operate safely. So what's a day in the life of an electrician like? Imagine waking up early, ready to take on a day filled with challenges and opportunities. As an electrician, your day could involve a variety of tasks. You might be working on a construction site, wiring a new building from scratch, or you could be called to a residential setting to fix faulty outlets or install new lighting fixtures. One day you might be carefully mounting TVs and hiding wires inside walls, ensuring a sleek and organized appearance. The next, you could be installing outlets where they don't exist, making it convenient for homeowners to power their gadgets. And let's not forget the exciting projects like running wiring for hot tubs, swimming pools, and other household amenities, bringing relaxation and entertainment to people's lives. Now let's talk money. Electricians have diverse earning opportunities. Some choose to work as solo contractors, while others join established electrical companies. Solo electricians often have the freedom to set their own rates and take on projects of their choice. On the other hand, those working for companies might enjoy more stability and benefits. Electricians can be found working in both residential and commercial settings. In the residential realm, they might be rewiring an old house, installing solar panels to harness renewable energy, or setting up smart home systems for ultimate convenience. In commercial environments, they might be responsible for complex electrical systems in offices, factories, hospitals, and more. From tackling wiring issues in power lines to enhancing safety measures in factories, electricians wear multiple hats. But it's not all sparks and glamour. Electricians face certain risks due to the nature of their work. Electrical shock, burns, and falls are potential hazards. That's why safety is paramount. Electricians must use protective gear like insulated gloves, goggles, and fire-resistant clothing to minimize risk. A well-equipped electrician carries a variety of tools, from basic pliers and wire strippers to more advanced equipment like circuit testers and multimeters. These tools help them diagnose problems, make repairs, and install new systems efficiently. To become a qualified electrician, a combination of education and training is essential. Many electricians start with an apprenticeship. During this period, they work alongside experienced professionals, gaining hands-on experience while also attending classes. Some may also opt for specialized trade schools, where they receive comprehensive training. Now, for those seeking a military adventure, various branches offer pathways to become electricians. The military provides comprehensive training through A schools and C schools, equipping individuals with skills that transcend the service and open doors in civilian life. Certifications are often necessary to prove expertise. The most common certification in the United States is the journeyman electrician license. The salary for an entry-level electrician can vary depending on location and experience, ranging from around $30,000 to $60,000 per year. As you gain more experience and expertise, your earning potential can increase significantly. Projects like wiring hot tubs, swimming pools, or commercial installations tend to pay more due to their complexity. These specialized tasks require a deep understanding of electrical systems and safety protocols. Well, there you have it, folks. Electricians are the unsung heroes who keep our world powered up and connected. If you've been considering a career in this field, remember that it's a path filled with challenges, excitement, and the satisfaction of knowing you're making a tangible impact on society. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Frustrated Job Seeker podcast. If you have any questions or insights about the world of electricians, drop them in the comments section below. And until next time, remember, the path to a fulfilling career might be just one spark away. I help frustrated job seekers successfully navigate the job search and interview process.